a live shrimp. Okay, and welcome back. So, whoops, had an accident. Okay, and welcome back. So we have got another live animal delivery, which I'm hoping this is or should be the shrimp for the ADA 30C. So never ordered from Sim's Tropical Fish before, but first time for everything, so hope they're nice. Okay, what have we got? We can get out the box. Okay, so packaged well. Let's get into this. Okay, we are in. Ooh, heat pack still nice and warm. Oh, a bit of newspaper. Oh, nice. Good to see. They packaged them really well. Where are they? Aha, there they are. Okay, so let's see what we've got. Not coloured up quite yet, but we've got 12 green jade shrimp. Well, meant to be 12. Okay, don't know if you can see those, but I'll give you a proper look in a second. But we need to drip acclimate these now for the 30C tank, and then we'll get them in. So whilst the shrimp are drip acclimating, so we've just got 12 green jade shrimp. Now, if you've seen any of the B-roll, they look blue and yellow. So, well, the blue and yellow makes green, no. But they don't always turn out green initially. So hopefully they'll turn the intended color after some time in the aquarium. But I felt it's really important that we had these now because the fish are already in here. So the Embotetras and the female Scarlet Baddis are already in here. And most of the plants are doing really well, except for the carpet. So the carpet's developing some diatoms and some brown hair algae. So it's been difficult to try and tackle out without uprooting the plant. So the shrimp hopefully were the answer to this. So hopefully now we'll get some better shape on the carpeting plants because the back are looking great. I love the Blexa japonica, it's looking really nice, as well as the Pagostum erectus as well. The hydrocotyl is looking really nice. Some of the Limnophilia is not looking the best, but let's hope the shrimps will sort this out. So why don't we give them about 25 minutes, drip acclimate, and we'll come back and add them into the tank. Whew. as I was making this video, there was another knock at the door, and it turned out it was the Amano shrimp that I ordered. So why make 2 videos about adding shrimp into this tank? Let's just make it into one and let's just go in and box them and get it. Let's just go. Okay, so we've got the shrimp finally in the tank. So we've got the Amanos and the green Jade shrimp that we ordered, so that's great news. And let's face it, it was needed with that algae bloom that just came out of nowhere. But all I would say is if you're setting up a new tank or an aquarium, aquascape, then don't panic if you get algae. I'll be more surprised if you didn't. Now, the key to it is just stay on top of it, daily water changes for a couple of weeks, making sure that you're feeding minimally, you're looking at your lighting hours, and add some cleanup crew, some shrimp. I can just see the scarlet baddest out here actually. But add the cleanup crew in and it will help massively. But for the keen-eyed ones of you, you'll probably notice this tank probably looks a bit more grown in than it did earlier on in the video. Well, that is because it is. So for those who've been following the channel, you'll know I've tried to slow down on my upload schedule, try and focus and just get a bit more up to date. I was doing 4 uploads a week at one point and I was chasing to get those out on time constantly, which to be fair was knackering. And I probably wasn't putting the effort in and the sort of content I wanted into the videos. So I've tried to slow down a little bit with the view of building that back up gradually. So I filmed a load of content, probably about 7-8 videos worth of footage. And I'm just in the process of editing them back together again, and also I'm filming some other videos as well. So at the time when I filmed this video you're watching now, I forgot to do the end, so what are you going to do? But it just gives us a bit of a chance to see how the shrimp are settled in, and they have settled in really nicely. They've done a great job with the algae. I can see one of the Amano shrimps right here, right now, just digging away. But the green Jade shrimp are settled in really well, and you've probably seen when we opened them, they weren't quite green, they're a bit blue and a bit yellow, but apparently they should turn a green colour after they start eating, and certain types of foods will help that as well, so we'll see how that gets on. But if not, who cares? We've got some light blue and light yellow shrimp. Brilliant. So we're just at the stage now and considering doing the first trimming on this, because some of the plants, I probably added too many of certain plants in the background especially. Now the Blix japonica, I probably added 1 too many, so I'm going to take one out and we'll use it in another tank. And as you may see, the Bogosum erectus has actually started growing from around here all the way up here. So the root systems send the new runner right to the front. So I'm going to take some of that out. We need to trim some of it back and just do a general maintenance. But the biggest problem is the dwarf hair grass hasn't really taken off that well. It's still looking a bit bare, to be honest. The plants that are there look pretty healthy, but I have ordered some more pots, so we'll add some more to that and hopefully we finally get some success from that. But other than that, things seem to be going pretty well. So the fish are doing really well, the shrimp are doing really well. I still want to get a male scarlet baddest to accompany the female, but we'll do that in time. But as always, I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video today. And just watching the video really supports the channel. But if you can also drop me that thumbs up, leave me a comment to show YouTube really enjoying this sort of content. But if you want to do any more than that, then go and check out my merch. Any of the money that I make goes straight back into video equipment, make your experience even better, and also goes back into this room to make the animals' lives and setups even better still. Also, if you click on any of the Amazon links and purchase anything from those as well, I generally get a small commission, and again, same deal, helps the room, helps your viewing experience, blah 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 blah. So, I think that's enough of me waffling on for one day, and I'll catch you in the next video.